Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. Rangi some function to matungda ngasi tamdorisna if statement, if logical operator, logical function naita. Logical function si kamai senaki to gi ahambada koina. The logical operator ko. Logical operator si excel sin if amasung de na statement ani sa si the best orga sin Karigumba si oitaragadi si tobiu, si oitaragadi si tobono. So as English if you are hungry, then have some food. Nang chak lam taragadi chak chak. If you are feeling hot, then take a bath. Nang sa taragadi irujato. Dagi warini ngasi sisu tiora. If it is holiday and you have time, go on a tour. Ngasi si holiday ni amasung nangoda matam lay taragadi koi bisalo. Simple sentence ngataneba sigi pose koina Excel haidone hai Excel if this statement is true return this value otherwise return something else aina logic ama ingoda piriba pose statement ama ina Excel da hairaga hairibisina chumba taragadi sigi statement sima piro chumdragana sima piro haina koina operation tawbudubune koina logical operator if statement da sinai ko do if ki statement si if ki function si koi na sinage haragadi magi syntax ama laigani syntax to karino koi yengse syntax si if the sumaina laigani logical test value if true value if false ko argument okum ne basinari se logical test ne kai do dino hariba excel le riba any condition jo test sama tawgane if any test that results in either true or false hariba sina true natraga false ani du khak generate tawgane ko chumi natraga lali nangasi nganna hogatbra hagene hogatli natraga hogatte asida leite marak sida am leite either hogatli natraga hogatte kayumba hogatlagadi sigi value if true da ina kanum haine hogatlagadi early riser nangan maram mo pangang ni haidin hogatragadi nang matandan bangang ni haidin aduna aina excel da hangaduriba pose nang kaygumba ayungan hogatlagadi maram mo pangang ni hailu value if true da koina value if true sida kari ini maram mo pangang ni igene adagi hogatragana matandan bangang ni haini ine example oina makhagi sida yengsigo sida city name leire temperature leire ko adugi magio categorize tawdare hot se ko find out to deni sida example on pirise kay gumba b gi column sida leire ba temperature se 35 35 ti hen man traga mana 35 tagi 35 or more than 35 oi taragadi hot oi heba si chumbra chummi haidoi ben kaygumba 35 tagi makha taragadi cold oi haidoi hot oi di haidoi adu sida ahan begi b sigi selection logical test ne sigi logical test si kaygumba chumba taragadi yes hayo kaygumba la lagana no hayo haibane ko aikogi real example da oje amuk yengase aikogi sida condition khara lere ko aikoi test tawgada khara lere sida yengase sigi test tawdoi sida aikoi instruction ama piri karino mana test taw harise pass in maths hairi ko let's just see what is the instruction by clicking on this button. So check if students pass in maths criteria di kaino should score at least 35 marks mark 35 fangada buneba mana hariba subject to adoragadi masi pass haidini 35 tagi hanta taragadi fail hoidini adoragadi okay let's close this one sida koi enter tawrase so what is the first criteria of entering any formula that is equal to okay let me just a little bit increase the size okay match so equal to if tab logical test kari subject no man harisa maths happen maths kada dalai sida lay record if maths subject si kay gumba 35 tagi helaga di pass ayo haibane so maths ki subject se koina sida click tawrani if f10 is greater than or equal to 35 wasida am khanga da bamana koina logical test da equal to and greater than equal to irisida ulta hoina equal to hana iraga greater than koni via deko greater than hana igedoba aduga equal to no koni igedobuni asi kagumba equal to sign hana itaragadi error lakani. So that also you have to keep in mind. And then if f10 is greater than or equal to 35 tagi henba taragadi kari pameba pass haisi kanino statement ne statement si text one ko enter tawdoine text one enter taw taragadi excel da double quotation ni manungda igene otherwise double quotation the idragadi excel na masi formula gumba ama natraga name range gumba ko lay adu oina count ogine adu ekoni igede positive text ni text ige hay taragadi double quotation ni manungda igene ba so double quotation pass kaigumba 35 tagi hantha taragadi kari oidoino haidi ahanbagi statement si chummagadi pass oirani chumdragana kari idoino dugi damakta kama pirani chumdragana fail aduso fail deso quotation ni manungda igani ko fail double quotation and bracket close hit enter. So here let's see match is 81, so 81 fangabana it is obviously more than 35, that's why he is passed in the match. Let's copy the formula in the entire cell. So loinamakta hojik magi formula do apply tawre. Let's see if the condition is actually true or not. Fail hai recosida fail hai sida 34 fangeba koi condition do karino 35 ne 35 tagi mana 35 oibana taga 35 tagi hen ba she 34 oibanina he is fail, so condition is absolutely true. Let's see here also it is 31, let's see here also so 32 ado see koina hanjan so hana so haire ko relative absolute reference na si ahan bagi formula si ira matung da koina copy da udar loina mak da lai si karigino when I am copying this formula here magi condition ki formula b sa f10 ina p gribu poto aduso automatically one shift down agi formula sin makha dam sathraga di my condition check tawdu su makha la kane see here and then let's see here see automatically I so makha sathaga magi condition ki reference to aduso makha da sathar kane that is called relative reference. Let's see another example here in the English. So okay English ida atopa condition ma muyeng se if tab karino English ki idu laira d10 is greater than or equal to wato pamana pass to with the yeng ro se ko fail ta bada hana ko condition is to se if d10 is equal to less than or equal to is less than 35 harise ko 35 tagi hantha taragadi what ahan bada condition je kaino fail hairani bisdana karigi ko negative tani ko check tawri se fail hen taragana kari hoini pass bracket close. See here also match he is getting 48, so he is pass. This is fail, let's say it is 21, 35 tagi handabani 21 adana he is a fail, he is also fail, he is pass. So absolutely this formula is working. So this is how we use if formula in Excel, and in the next lecture we will be learning about nested if, and I will see you in the next lecture. Thank you, bye bye.